Good day, this is a GeoQ mirror car camera. Okay, let me explain to you a bit. So when you got the car camera, this is the rear camera lens. Okay, before you do installation, this one have a connector. Make sure it's plugged in properly. Okay, the 5-pin rear lens. Okay, plug in properly. Okay, this one is a red cable. This is to install to your car reverse positive light. When your car reverse, power come, trigger, and then it can display the rear camera on the main screen. Okay, if you didn't install this cable, the car camera still can record front and back. Okay, before you do a full installation, you need to check out you can see both screen or not. Okay, plug in the input jack. This is the cable. Make sure you're using the car power adapter plug into your car cigarette port. Okay, and then you power on. Check. Okay. You can see the rear camera at here. This is front, this is rear. Check, you see the front and rear camera. If you see both camera, then you only do the installation. Thank you.